An explosion of small form factor devices, smart connected factories, and automotive advanced driver assistance systems, combined with the need to maximize battery life, has created many challenges. Excelon, Cypress's ultra-low energy F-RAM, offers the best solution for data logging, non-volatile memory needs in these demanding applications. Mobility, once a luxury, is now essential. Healthcare monitoring is moving out of the hospital and into the patient's home. These portable, battery-operated home devices continuously record large amounts of patient data and provide over-the-wire or over-the-air diagnostics. Excelon offers ultra-low power, active and idle modes to maximize system battery life, with virtually unlimited write endurance for long-term, reliable data logging. All of this in an 8-pin GQFN package. Excelon also meets the demands of ever-evolving smart factories. As the highest performance, most reliable non-volatile memory, Excelon is an ideal solution to support mission-critical data logging requirements in industrial environments. Motor vehicles are rapidly expanding use of data logging memories in event data recorders and ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems. Excelon ensures the reliable and instantaneous data capture of the critical last image or sensor input in the event of a crash. This F-RAM is automotive-grade qualified and functional safety compliant. Wearable devices continue to transform, shrinking into rings and sporting equipment, and driving the need for small, low-power electronic components to maximize the life of the smallest batteries. The ultra-low energy Excelon meets these demands. With the industry's lowest power consumption, virtually unlimited endurance at 1,000 trillion cycles, instant data capture, and a fast QSPI interface, Excelon is the ideal non-volatile data logging memory for the embedded systems of tomorrow.